Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of dental hygiene with a close look at the Zima Dental Pod Ultrasonic Cleaner. This device is designed to clean various dental appliances, including aligners, Nightguards, mouthguards, and dentures, using advanced ultrasonic technology. The Zima Dental Pod employs high-frequency 42,000 Hz ultrasonic waves to effectively remove stains and plaque from your dental appliances. Its sleek, compact design ensures it doesn't occupy much counter space, and it's straightforward to use. Fill the pod with water, place your appliance inside, activate the device, and in just 5 minutes, your appliance emerges clean and clear. For more stubborn stains, Zima Dental offers cleaning tablets to enhance the cleaning process. In my experience, setting up the dental pod was a breeze. After filling it with water and adding a cleaning tablet, I placed my retainer inside and activated the device. The process was quiet and efficient, and after 5 minutes, my retainer looked noticeably cleaner. However, it's worth noting that while the pod excels at routine cleaning, it may not completely remove long-standing stains without the aid of the cleaning tablets. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: effective cleaning. Utilizes ultrasonic technology to thoroughly clean dental appliances. User-friendly. Simple setup with a one-button operation. Compact design. Occupies minimal counter space. Cons: stubborn stains. May require additional cleaning tablets for tougher stains. Price point: higher cost compared to some alternative cleaning methods. Considering its performance and features, the Zima Dental Pod offers good value for those seeking an efficient and easy-to-use solution for cleaning dental appliances. While it is an investment, the convenience and effectiveness it provides can justify the cost, especially for daily users of retainers or aligners. When compared to similar products on the market, the Zima Dental Pod stands out with its sleek design and straightforward operation. Some alternative ultrasonic cleaners may come at a lower price point, but often lack the aesthetic appeal and user-friendly features of the dental pod. Additionally, the availability of specialized cleaning tablets from Zima Dental can enhance the cleaning process, a feature not always offered by competitors. The build quality of the dental pod is solid, featuring a stainless steel tank that adds to its durability. While I haven't used it long enough to comment on long-term reliability, the materials and construction suggest it is built to last. Although I haven't had direct interactions with Zima Dental's customer support, the company offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and a full 12-month warranty, indicating a commitment to customer satisfaction. For those considering alternatives, there are other ultrasonic cleaners available that may come at a lower cost. However, they might lack the specialized design and features tailored for dental appliances that the Zima Dental Pod offers. In summary, the Zima Dental Pod is a reliable and user-friendly device that effectively cleans dental appliances. It's particularly beneficial for individuals who use retainers, aligners, or mouthguards regularly, and are looking for a convenient cleaning solution. While it may require the use of additional cleaning tablets for optimal results on stubborn stains, its overall performance and design make it a worthwhile consideration. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that others interested in dental hygiene can also find this video. Thank you for watching. The link to purchase the Zima Dental Pod is in the comments box. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences if you already own this product. Until next time, keep smiling with Beautyistic.